Hi, Alan. I just heard about the unfortunate incident at your place. Can you share more details about when it happened? Hi, Tom. It was last Tuesday, precisely around 9 p.m. We were out for dinner celebrating our daughter's birthday when it occurred. Came back to a ransacked home. Oh, that's terrible. What exactly was taken? It's disheartening, Tom. They got away with our laptops, cameras, and even our brand new TV. It felt like they knew exactly what to target. Can't believe it happened so close to home. Did you manage to report it to the police? Yes, I reported it right away. The police were here yesterday gathering information and looking for any leads. I hope they catch whoever did this. Have you taken any additional security measures since the incident? Absolutely. We've invested in a state-of-the-art alarm system and reinforced our door locks. It's unfortunate, but we have to be more vigilant now. Did any of your neighbors notice anything unusual that evening? Surprisingly, no. It's a quiet neighborhood and nobody saw or heard anything suspicious. It's unnerving how stealthy they were. I heard insurance might help with some of the losses. Have you checked with them? Yes, we're in the process of filing a claim. It's a relief to know that we might get some assistance in recovering our losses. The process is a bit tedious, though. Well, Alan, I sincerely hope they catch those responsible soon. Let us know if you need anything, all right? Thanks, Tom. Your support means a lot. We're keeping a closer eye on things now, and hopefully this won't happen again.